and welcome to my YouTube channel. You're all very welcome today. If you are new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and feel free to comment on this video. Today we are looking at the boxed SEBO Felix White Art vacuum cleaner, which I have recently purchased, and I decided to do an unboxing video for all of you people watching. So we're just going to get this open and take a look, and I hope this is of use for anyone looking for more information on this vacuum cleaner. And I hope to be able to have a link in the description for this, so that if anyone wants to purchase this vacuum, you can follow that link. Okay, let's get into this. Now, I should say that this is my very first look at these vacuums in the flesh. I bought it online, so I had never seen them in the store. It was bought simply on the basis of the reviews and the information that I found online. So one little thing I'd like to mention is that this part of the vacuum is, as I understand it, a material type filter, unless I'm mistaken, and it comes in different styles. There are all sorts of different styles that the vacuum can be purchased in with, and it can be swapped out, it can be changed for different styles. So we've got the whole vacuum here with a little bit of damage in the box there. Hopefully that's nothing too serious. So we'll get this out of the outer carton and get a look at it. Wow, that's in there pretty tight. Okay, so as you can see here on this other side of the box, a different style design of this part. This is a different aspect. It's obviously showing us the hose, which is pretty cool, and then yet another design. So I'm just going to go ahead here and try to find. Okay, so this this sort of pictorial guide on the side here shows us some of the different features of the vacuum, including what I was just explaining about this replaceable cover, and then there are heads that can be attached, different accessories that can be purchased and attached to the basic vacuum that you get when you buy this. So here we go. Now, I bought it with the white body, this sort of white here, and this design of bag, which I thought was pretty cool. And I like the fact that this box is just all unfolding, rather than having to drag it out. I'm gonna maybe flip this camera a little bit here, let you folks see that better. Okay, so there's not a lot of polystyrene here, or styrofoam as you might call it. We've got this power cable, which looks to be quite a good length. May as well take that out of there. I like the fact that they've used some kind of material, elasticated material, tethers to hold this together. I don't know what they're made of, but it's kind of nice to see that different from the usual plastic cable ties or something like that. So yeah, first impressions, it feels pretty good quality. I mean, this metal main stem of the actual vacuum handle feels really solid. And then you have your control here for the power, so it goes from off to maximum power. And then I'll need to read up on this, just having a little look about the general quality of this. It seems pretty good. There's a hose here as well which comes with it. I guess that goes in there somewhere. And then some accessory tools. So you've got a crevice tool there, which obviously must hook onto here, which is great. And something, brush or upholstery tool, I guess, which also connects on there. That's just a nice push fit. Fits in there snugly, which is pretty cool. And this, I'm guessing, is some form of, I think that is for maybe the flex, the cord, to go around. This shape here matches with the main stem, so I figure that goes on there somehow. Maybe this opens up in some way. So that's the main body of the vacuum itself. It's got a nice little design here. This design says, designed by Kirsty in collaboration with Pink Ribbon Foundation. So it's a special Cancer Edition cover. And in this bag is the business end of the vacuum, the head, which looks pretty cool. Now it states plain and clear for there, they're not shy about this, it's made in Germany and it's the Felix premium model. And again, this sticker saying that it was designed exclusively for the Pink Ribbon Foundation by Kirsty Gore, founder of KJG Interiors, e-design content creator and stylist, who I'm sure if you're interested you'll be able to find online. There's a really, this is quite heavy. There's quite a bit of weight in this, so that's reassuring. I think this is going to be quite a powerful machine, and quite strong and robust. Okay, so this orange lever here, or lever for our viewers in the States and Canada, when that is pushed down, that allows this to be tilted. Now, one of the features of some of SEBO's machines, as I understand it, is their ability to allow this, the arm, the main body, to flip right down to allow the cleaning head to go underneath furniture. So you can imagine when that's attached onto here, like this. When that's laid down, it's going to allow you to go under furniture to quite a low level, which is pretty cool. I like the branding on here. That's kind of neat touch. And the hand, this part on here, basically serves two purposes. It is used, I think, to hold the flexible cord for the hose or hose, this here, and also when it's being used, when the vacuum is detached from the head, for things such as if you want to use it to clean out your car, it serves as a handle for carrying, so it's handheld. So it serves a dual purpose really. So I'm just discovering this, the same as you folks. This, I'm just going to quickly open this up here because I know, like me, you will want to see this part, which is another important part. This is the bag. So this is the bag where all the dirt collects, and then a little look inside. Hopefully you'll be able to see this. I'm sorry the light's not great. Just to see in there, there's a filter right at the bottom. So these bags are replaceable. I think that went in there. I'll need to double check how I took that out of there. So I hope that this has been useful, and I just wanted to let everyone see everything that I've seen just from the start of taking this straight out the box. I haven't seen this before, so I thought I would share with everyone just my first look at the SEBO Felix vacuum cleaner with the detachable cleaning head and the main body and accessories. There is also a manual here. It's just reminded me, looking at this, that certainly in the UK, these come with, I think, it's a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, which was definitely something that attracted me to this machine. And these are some little, where are we? Orange, try and get that in focus. Orangina Sun SEBO Fresh cartridges. These are little scented cartridges that you can put in the machine. I don't know where they go. We'll discover that later. Which give fresh scent when the machine's operational. So thank you very much everyone for watching. I hope you found this useful. Feel free to comment, like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in more videos. Thanks.